Let me ask you something. Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, AI tools, and automation, but most people still don't know how to actually make money with AI. And here's the truth nobody tells you. The real skill behind AI profits is prompt engineering. In this video, I'm reviewing AI Prompt Engineering Mastery, and I'll show you who it's for, what you actually get, the upgrades, and the bonuses you'll get if you grab it through the link below. If you're a beginner who wants to profit from AI without coding, and you like done-for-you PLR products you can resell, this is a solid offer. It's not magic, but it does remove months of learning and content creation. So what exactly is AI Prompt Engineering Mastery? It's a done-for-you AI training course with private label rights. That means you can rebrand it, sell it as your own product, use it as a bonus, or build an email list with it. It teaches people how to write better AI prompts, automate tasks using AI, create content, workflows, and digital products, monetize AI without technical skills. This is best for new affiliate marketers, freelancers and creators, coaches and digital product sellers, anyone confused by AI but doesn't want to code. And the big objection it solves is this: I don't know AI, I'm not technical, and I don't have time to learn everything. Let me quickly show you how it works. Once you log in, you'll see access to the full training package. You get a 5-part video training series, a detailed step-by-step training guide, audio versions of the videos, editable presentation slides, sales copy, graphics, email swipes, and banners. Everything is already created. Your job is simple. Download the content, rebrand it with your name and logo, upload it to your site or platform, start selling or using it as a lead magnet. No tech headaches, no content creation, no AI expertise needed.
Attention marketers, digital entrepreneurs, and action takers. What if you could tap into one of the fastest growing AI income opportunities today, own the product that teaches it, and keep 100% of every sale you make? Because starting today, you can. We're living in a time where AI is no longer optional. It's changing how content is created, how businesses operate, and how everyday people generate income online. And at the center of it all is one powerful skill: prompt engineering. Businesses, creators, and marketers are desperate for people who know how to get better results from AI. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to write high-performing prompts. Most people don't know how to turn prompts into repeatable systems. And most people don't know how to monetize AI prompts at all. That's where you come in. Because today, you can step in as the expert. Own the product. Teach others, and profit from one of the biggest AI skill booms of this decade. Introducing AI Prompt Engineering Mastery with PLR. Your complete, income-ready system that teaches people how to master AI prompts for content, automation, productivity, and business growth, and gives you full private label rights, so you can rebrand it as your own. Resell it unlimited times. Keep 100% of every sale. Build a scalable AI education business. This isn't theory. This is a done-for-you AI prompt engineering education product you can start selling immediately. Here's what you get inside AI Prompt Engineering Mastery, PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Beginner-friendly, step-by-step videos showing how to craft powerful prompts for content creation, marketing, automation, research, productivity, and more. Complete step-by-step training guide. A proven blueprint that teaches real-world prompt engineering frameworks, from basic prompts to advanced AI workflows that deliver consistent results. 5 audio versions. Perfect for learning on the go or repurposing as premium content for your audience. 5 raw video files. Fully editable so you can customize, brand, and position yourself as the AI prompt authority. 5 professional presentation slides, PPT. Ideal for webinars, workshops, coaching programs, or high-ticket AI consulting offers. Plus, all marketing materials done for you, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. High-converting sales copy. Ready-to-use customer sales video. Professional graphics. Animated banners. Email swipe files. Stunning mini sites. Legal pages. social media graphics, PDF graphics, chapter images. And because we reward fast, smart action takers, you'll also receive Fast Action Bonus Number 1, AI Prompt Engineering Cheat Sheet. Instant, easy-to-follow steps that summarize the entire training so prompts can be applied immediately. Fast Action Bonus Number 2, AI Prompt Engineering Mind Map. A visual roadmap that breaks down the full system in seconds, perfect for clarity and fast execution. Fast Action Bonus Number 3, Top AI Prompt Resources Report. A curated list of the best AI tools, platforms, prompt libraries, and resources to stay ahead of competitors. With AI Prompt Engineering Mastery, PLR, you can build instant authority in the AI space. Sell a premium AI course without creating content. Teach a high-demand AI skill people actively want. Create multiple passive income streams? Start earning today, not weeks or months from now. This is more than just a product. It's a ready-made AI income system. Fully packaged. Fully done for you. Fully yours. All you have to do is download, rebrand, upload, get paid. That's it. The AI prompt boom is happening right now. People are desperate to get better AI results. Businesses are buying AI education faster than ever. And digital buyers are spending big on AI mastery. This is your opportunity to be the seller, not the consume. So don't wait. Take action now. Unlock your PLR license. Start selling AI prompt engineering mastery today. Because the people who master prompt engineering today will control AI results and income tomorrow. Click the button now and get instant access. Your AI-powered business starts the moment you do.
Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. The front end is priced low, around $12, to get you in the door. Inside the funnel, you'll see upgrades like advanced PLR packs, more monetization assets, done-for-you sales tools, a low-cost membership with recurring income, and even a high-ticket product creation service on the back end. These are optional. The front end alone is enough to get started, but the upgrades are there if you want more leverage and higher profit potential. Now, this is important. If you grab AI Prompt Engineering Mastery through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus stack. These bonuses are designed to help you launch faster, get traffic, and convert better. Here are some of the bonuses you'll get. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows to boost engagement and conversions. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website and reduce bounce rates. Bonus 3, WP Email Timer Plus. Add real countdown timers inside emails to increase clicks and urgency. Bonus 4, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords from Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 5, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding them. Bonus 6, Two-Step Opt-in Generator. Increase email opt-ins using proven conversion methods. Bonus 7, Power List Pro. Advanced pop-ups and list segmentation tools. Bonus 8, Affiliate System for Product Owners. Launch your own affiliate program and recruit promoters. Bonus 9, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for search engines and free traffic. Bonus 10, Affiliate Marketing Thrive video course, a step-by-step training to help you make consistent affiliate commissions. Remember, these bonuses are only available through the link below, and I'll mention them again before this video ends. So, final verdict. If you want a ready-made AI product and you don't want to spend months learning prompt engineering from scratch, AI Prompt Engineering Mastery makes sense, especially with the bonuses. But here's the catch. This is a dime sale, and the price increases during the launch, and the bonuses are limited by time and quantity. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're even slightly interested, click the link below right now and lock everything in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, like it, comment below, and subscribe for more honest reviews. To get AI Prompt Engineering Mastery plus all my exclusive bonuses, click the link in the description. After purchase, you'll get instant access to the product, bonus delivery instructions on the thank you page, and everything will be sent to your email. Click the link below now before the price or bonuses disappear. I'll see you inside.